I'm just trying to make one new video that will show you how to install and update patch of our offline application, which is provided by our CDAC Noida team. We have to install that in our same system by removing the older data. So this is the procedure. When I have downloaded this application through the link in this downloads folder, I am just installing this. The simple procedure as same as previous. It will install in the same location, C users app data and the local folder. After the installation, we don't need to do any configuration setup here. We just have to go to that local folder. Just app data local and Susrut my folder, and I have to copy all the files, not the directory. We can't copy in the entire directory. If we will copy the entire directory, then it will replace the existing directory. So we'll copy the files. Starting from here, we'll copy the DLL files or the supporting files of the application. We'll go to our existing location, that is SVC. We have created a separate drive for this. This is our folder, and I will paste all my application supporting data here, and I will replace all the files that can be replace the existing file to the new one. Then after that we need to copy the another folder again, that is runtime. We can copy all the folders and subfolders and files here. We can paste in the runtime folder. We'll replace the existing files. After that we will go to that app folder, which is most important. We no need to copy the subfolder here, so you have to copy the files and go back to the existing folder, open the app directory, copy these files here, replace those files only. Try to check that hospital config, master patient data files, counter and app counter. These files may remain there, that no data option should be changed, that we have to check once again that. And we can copy all the library files to that existing locations, and if required then we can replace this. Now our new application is ready, and after that we will just create a shortcut from here. This is a new application shortcut, eSushrut only. So we will create a shortcut to the desktop. After that we have to remove the existing shortcut. This is our new application, and the new application has been installed and updated. Now we can log in through this. This is my login ID and password. My application has been logged in, and I can check that through the report. Is it working or not? My existing data are here, safe or not. Here there was a single entry, and this data is showing here also, so we don't have any issue with the data. We just updated the application and updated the new features available in the new application. So thank you.